Alright, what's good, YouTube? It's SRT Show, and we back with another video, man. I'm not gonna lie, it's hot as fuck outside. Like, the inside of my car will not fucking cool down whatsoever, so I gotta hurry this shit up. Also, y'all can hear the motherfucking chiller. You know the chiller just turned on? It's like, no, that's not no fucking Hellcat. I do not have a chiller. But the fans, like, if it get too hot, the fans gonna turn on. That shit, I barely hear it, but like, when I be cutting up, like in track mode or sport mode, that shit do be coming on. I can't even talk. Fucking loud ass chillers. Y'all hear that shit? That shit is like that's how you know it's hot as fuck outside, bro. And it just turned off. That shit was so loud. Man, I gotta hurry this POV up though. But no, today we about to be doing no traction though, no traction. In the 392 last call. So let's just get straight into it for this bitch overheat. All right, let's turn this traction off. All right, boom. All right, traction is off. Wait, this shit's still in eco mode though. Oh fuck, I done fucked up, y'all. Wait, maybe I can just turn it off. Okay, I just took it off eco mode. We're gonna do it in street mode today. Oh shit. Shout out the car lock, bro. No cap, I gotta turn this off. I'm not gonna lie, I'm gonna make a video on car lock and shit, or like how I keep my car safe. Cause like, shit, I gotta talk to y'all about security and shit, no cap. I got a couple of things in here, you know, to keep this bitch from getting stolen. Or at least I'll know if somebody trying to like tamper with it. But you know, that's a video for another day. I'm not gonna lie, that's the most dangerous shit you could do. Live on a fucking street like this and pull out like that. That's why I would hate to live on a street like that shit. Pulling out backwards and shit while traffic coming and shit, that shit crazy. I could never. I hope I'm going the right way, bro. Bro, if I'm not in sport mode or fucking track, like it is not gonna make that smack noise. Like when the motor just like spaz on itself. I don't even know what the fuck to call that shit. I gotta come up with a name for that shit. Pretty much like a second to third gear pull, like, and it make that smack noise at the end when you hit like 6,000 RPMs. It do not make that noise in street mode whatsoever. I guess it's just not enough power. Let me guess, that was my car lock? Bro, my car lock shit always going off too, no cap. You know, I gotta make one soon. I'm gonna make a video soon on car lock and shit. That shit be annoying as fuck, but like that shit can save you from losing your whip, no cap. I'm not gonna lie, they do need to sponsor me though. I hit them up like last month, and they have not replied to me. I was trying to go get like a sponsor from them and shit. Oh yeah, and I forgot to mention it. Well, actually, I already mentioned this shit earlier. It's hot as fuck, so I'm sticking. I ain't gonna be like sliding and shit, unless I like do a little burnout or whatever. But I'm not gonna lie, like a hot ass day like this with like the traction off, that shit feels so good to drive. No cap. Like you literally just gonna grip, like, and you got maximum control of the car too. So it's like, it's low key like the best way to drive these. Just turn off the fucking traction. When it's hot outside at least. Cause like I'm gripping like a motherfucker right now, bro. Like I'm literally full throttling it damn near every time. And I just went around a little bendy too, and I literally just full throttled it while turning the wheel like slightly. Bro, it took like 30 minutes for this car to get cold, bro. Now it's fucking cold as fucking. I'm over here shivering and shit. And every time I turn it off, bro, it just get instantly hot. All right, I'm about to turn. Bro, this place fucking packed. Damn, bro, it's about crowded as fuck in this bitch.
A few moments later.
Alright, y'all, we back. Had to pick up my fucking grub and shit. Bro, this bitch feel weak in street mode, I'm not gonna lie. I'm gonna put it in manual mode, so I get a little bit more power. Like, damn. I'm in 5th gear and I'm kinda like flooring it and that shit not going. Oh shit, my food. Oh, let me turn off this loud ass fucking cold air. That shit loud as hell. Oh yeah, bro, today we are recording in 5.3K. So hopefully y'all enjoy this 5K quality. 5.3K. No cap. The only thing about it is like it's gonna take like forever to download. That should be taking like 3 years. That's why I only just use 4K. Yeah, I don't know what the fuck just happened, but my GoPro just turned off. I think it might be overheating, so if it cut off again, then I'm just gonna end the video. Damn, bro. I know I should have like got off the phone. I was on the phone for like 20 minutes just sitting in the parking lot after I recorded my intro.